everyone. Welcome back to another exciting day in mathematics. Woo, woo. How's everybody doing? Good? Home play? Good? Let's go. Sign progress is good? Let's go. Oh, yeah, we got this. Gio, do me a favor. Can you get the door, please? Thank you. Oh, there you go. So warm-up number 15 is on the screen. Once again, by now we should be experts at these. So I'll give you guys some time. Copy and... All right, check with the neighbor, see what they got for that warm-up, and then we're going to have Caitlin get us started. Check with your neighbor. Number 1, 2, and 3. They should be done by now. Blah. All right, so before Caitlin gives me the answer, really quick, some of you, check this out, since we're already in multiplication mode, some of you forget that some of these are addition and subtraction, and you keep forgetting to check if there's addition in between, right? So make sure you get that done before anything else, but once you do that, distribute, combine, and then our answer is... right? Okay, so I just wanted to bring that up because that's a common mistake, right, Mario? So let me do this. Distribute, that's 5x to the second. Distribute, that's -7 in parentheses with a plus there. And distribute, and that is -5x in parentheses with a plus there. And I put the wiggles on this. Bless you. All right, and now we can combine stuff, right? Because we are only simplifying right now. All right, so let's see. I'm going to start with the highest degree. Highest degree is 5x squared. Take away 2x squared. That leaves us with 3x squared. Next, we got -5x and positive 5x. What happens there, everyone? Cancel. And last but not least, we got 10 minus 7. That is 3. Hands if you got that by yourself. Let's go. Number 2. Share with the neighbor what you got for number 2. Then we're going to have, let's see, how about Mario's going to enlighten us with that one. Share with your neighbor what you got for number 2. Get for number 2. Okay. Oh, okay. So you're getting your pencil? Is that what you're saying? All right. All right. So, hopefully Mario distributed the -y in here and here. And then he distributed the 4 in here and here. Right, Mario? So you got 4y minus 8. And then you got plus 7y to the second. And then plus -6y. So, answer. Mario, what'd you get? -7y to the second? Negative? Oh, -7y to the second. Yes, my bad, I forgot that one there. All right, and then -2y minus 8. Hands if you got that. That is correct. And last but not least, I need an answer for this one. Tell your neighbor what you got, then Mario's going to pass it to someone. What you get for that one? Walk us through this one. First step, what do I do first? Pass on one, Mario. Jesus? -2. So multiply everything times -2 times -2 times -2. So that gives us -24. This gives us 7a plus 4. And this gives us 18. And what happens? Yeah, flip the symbols. That is correct. Continue, Sean. Go. Subtract 4 from everything. -28 less than 7a less than or equal to 14. Last but not least, everyone, divide by what? 7, the whole thing. This is -4 less than a less than 2. But we need it in set notation, solution set of a such that, empty space, close your solution set. Tell your neighbor what to write in here, please. What do we write in here? Yeah, the solution. What was our solution? -4 less than a less than or equal to 2. Equal to. All right, send that in, please. Copy the agenda for today. Warm-up number 15. Tonight's home play, still product of polynomials. And notice I wrote in parentheses vertical. Oh, give me a second. Do me a favor and look up to the screen. Here on your agenda for the home play, I want you to write V7 and V13. And I'll explain that in a little bit. So today we're doing another method of multiplication called vertical multiplication of polynomials. So from your home play that you're doing numbers 1 through 15, you're going to do odd numbers, yes? But I only want numbers 7 and 13 in vertical format. Everybody got it? All right, you're like, what does that mean, Mr. Gill? I'll show you in a little bit. Copy the code for the access to your home play, 56X, 8S, 56X, 8S, 56X, 8S. All right, we good? Yes, that's a cue. All right. So last night's home play was pages 290, 291, numbers 1 through 7. So go to Canvas, turn that in. Also, you needed to get your grade signed. Yes? Turn that in on Canvas as well. Do that right now, please. I'll give you some time. Tonight's home play looks like this. All right. And get a Cornell note ready so we can get started. This show on the road. So our objective for today, I can multiply polynomials. We're still in the middle of this. But before we move on, polynomials. Tell your neighbor your definition for polynomials in your own words. Tell your neighbor, what are polynomials? Without looking at your notes, what are polynomials? All right, pop it on your screen, 20 seconds. Type me the definition in your own words of polynomials on the screen. 20 seconds. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. So, by the looks of it, everybody wrote expressions, yes? Some of you went on and wrote monomials, somewhere different than monomials, there they are. All right, so we're in the middle of that. So from there we got into addition, subtraction, now we're in multiplication. But before I do, I'm going to take you back in time. Look up to the screen, write your utensils down. Who remembers when your teachers, this was in, I want to say, 3rd grade? Something like that? They said, all right, kids, today we're going to multiply 3 digits times 3 digits. 235 times 112. Copy that on your paper. Example. Let's do this one. This is a nice one, so I'm going to call it MJQ. Let's go. All right. So I'm going to go over this step by step to make sure we got it. So let's see. I start with 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus 1, that's 7. 2 times 2 is 4. Yes? Yes, thank you. All right. Then, underneath the first digit, I put a blank. I'm not going to use that because I'm moving over. And now I go to the next digit. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 2, 2. And again, underneath the first digit of that last number, I put a blank, and I move over. And again, 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 3, 3. 1 times 2, 2. And at the end, what do? Add straight down. Is that correct? 0. 12, carry 1. 7, 5, 12, and 1, 13. Carry 1. 6, 2. And did you got that? Yeah? You guys remember this? Yeah? All right, good, because now we're going to do it with polynomials. Copy this one. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's go. Let's go. Example 1, vertical multiplication. 2x squared, y squared times 3x to the 5th minus 5. You see how I reeled you guys in pretty good, right? Woo! Just copy it. I'm going to show you how to set it up. I'll show you how to set it up. Just copy it. All right. As you're copying that, on the side, I want you to put step 1. Or here on the side, write steps. First things first, we need to check that the polynomial is in standard form. What does that mean? From highest to lowest degree. What is standard form? From highest to lowest degree. What is standard form? From highest to lowest. Okay. Step 2. Stack the 2 polynomials. And then at the end, number 3, multiply. And number 4, add or combine. 4 simple steps. All right. So, look up to the screen. This is a monomial, which means it's already in standard form because it's only one term. But this one is 2 terms. So, question, what is the degree of that? 5. What is the degree of this one? 1. Is it in standard form from highest to lowest degree? Yes. So, step 1, done. Step 2, stack them. I'm going to start with this one. Follow my lead. 3x to the 5th minus 5y. And then the second one goes underneath. 2x squared y squared. And then put a big dot for multiplication. We good? All right, here we go. Let's do this one together. 2x squared y squared times this one. So, numbers times numbers. What is 2 times negative 5? Bless you. Negative 10. X squared times nothing, x squared. Y squared times y to the first is y to the third. That is correct. Next, same one, now times that one. What is 2 times 3? 6. What is x to the second times x to the fifth? X to the what? 7. And y squared times nothing. We just bring down the y squared, and we are done. Send me your notes, please. Pretty straightforward, yes? Let me go through the process to make sure we got it. Step 1, you check for standard form. This was in standard form. This is a monomial. It is in standard form. Stack them. Multiply. Add or combine if there's any layers that you need to add or combine. All right. So, with that said, do this next one by yourself. Example 1Q. 3a cubed b squared. Parentheses 2a minus 7b to the fourth. Actually, let's do this one together. How about them apples? 3a cubed b squared times 2a minus 7b to the fourth. So tell your neighbor what you're going to check for first, really quick. What do we check for first? Franco. Standard form. This one is already in standard form. Check. What degree is this one, everyone? 1. What degree is this one? Is it an order? No. So we write negative 7b to the fourth plus 2a times 3a cubed b squared. So now that it's in standard form, let's stack them. Negative 7b to the fourth plus 2a. And then the other one is 3a cubed, b to the second. We are multiplying, and I'll wait for you. I'll send you the screen so you can send me your work once you are done. Go. All right, let's see. Looks like Gio's got this. He's going to walk us through this one. Gio, tell me what to multiply and what to write. 3 times 2, that is... Hold on. 3 times 2 is? 3 times 2 is what? 6. Oh, my bad. Yeah. And then a cubed times a to the fourth. B squared times nothing. Yes. All right. Pass someone so they can help me with the other part. All right, next, now times that. Negative 21, 3 times negative 7, negative 21. A to the third power, because a times nothing here, we just rewrite it, and then b to the sixth power. Now, notice this one did not have a sign in front of it. We're going to put a little what? A little plus sign in between. And we are done. Hands, have you got that? Let's go. From 1 to 5, I'll come tomorrow with these monomials times binomials. Okay? You know where I'm going, right? Copy this one, please. Binomials times binomials. X, example 2, x plus 1 times x minus 3. X plus 1 times x minus 3. So what do we check first for everyone? Standard form. What degree is this x? 1. How about this one? 0 is in standard form? Yes. How about this? 1. This? 0, standard form? Yes. Let's stack them. X minus 3 x plus 1, and we are multiplying. Okay, writing utensils down, look up. I'm going to do this step by step, slowly, so you guys can see the process. Here it goes. Let me start with 1. 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. 1 times x is x. I blank the first spot underneath the first spot, and now I'm going to multiply this one times these two. Here we go. What is x times negative 3? Negative 3x. What is x times x? X to the second. What do I do now? I'm going to combine. Combine. Here we go. Straight down. Negative 3 and nothing here. I just bring it down. What is negative 3x and a positive 1x? Negative 2x, and then bring down the x squared. Copy that one, please. Pause that really quick. Now, a quick note, everyone. Look up. Make sure you make a note for yourself in case you forget this. Put a little asterisk, a heart. Don't forget to skip this spot. Don't forget to skip that spot, because some of you are going to start forgetting, and then you're going to move it over and so on and so forth. Okay? So, pretty straightforward, yes? All right. Shall we do another one? Let's go. Copy this one. Example 2 cubed. Y minus 2 times y minus 3. Multiply that vertically, and I'm going to send you the screen so you can send me your work. All right, let's see. Look up, please. All right, what did we do first? Check in standard form. Degree for this one, 1. Degree for that, 0. Standard form, yes. Degree 1, degree 0. Standard form, yes. Stack them. Multiply. Negative 2 times negative 3, that's positive 6. Negative 2 times y, that's negative 2y. And what did we say not to forget? Blank out a spot here. Next, y times negative 3 is negative 3y. Y times y is y to the second. We combine. 6, bring it down. Negative 3y and negative 2y, that's negative 5y and y squared. Hands, if you got that by yourself? That is correct. All right, not bad, not bad. Let's crank it up a bit. Copy this one. Example 2 super cube, make sure you send that in. 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. For the sake of time, let's go and do this one together. Here we go. Tell your neighbor what to check first. Then Mario is going to enlighten us. What do we check first? Tell your neighbor. Mario, what do we check first? Standard form, that is correct. So, degree for this one is 1, this one 0, standard form yes. 1, 0, standard form yes. Let's stack them. 2x plus 1, 3x plus 2, multiply. All right, I'm going to start with blue. What is 2 times 1? 2, positive. What is 2 times 2x? 4x. Tell your neighbor what to do next. What do we do next? And Mario is going to enlighten us. Tell your neighbor, what do we do next? What do we do next? Don't skip steps. Mario. Skip the step here. Skip the first space. Skip the first space. Now we multiply. What is 3x times 1? Positive 3x. What is 3x times 2x? 3 times 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. Now we combine. Therefore, bring down the 2. 3x plus 4x is 7x and 6x squared. All right? Send me that on your screen, please. I want to see your work. Careful with Jordan. Yeah, believe it or not, that frame right there, that's 22 years old. Oh, yeah. The wings. All right. From 1 to 5, I'll come tomorrow with binomials times binomials vertical. 5, 4, 5. You know where we're going, right? Yes? Let's crank it up a bit, yeah? Copy that one. Example 3. X plus 2 times negative 4 plus 2x squared minus x. X plus 2 times negative 4 plus 2x squared minus x. All right, remind your neighbor that the first thing you do, first thing we do. Looks like Mario's got it. Very good. Tell your neighbor, first thing we do. What do we do first? Mario, pass them one. Gio. Standard form. Is this one standard form? Let's see, degree 1, 0. Yes, that's done. How about this one? 0, 2, 1. Is that in standard form? No, let's rewrite it. 2x squared minus x minus 4 times x plus 2. Step 1 done. Now we stack them. Here we go. 2x squared minus x minus 4 x plus 2. All right? So, some of you already started multiplying. I'm going to have somebody get me started. Help me out. Gio, pass them one. Ashley, 2 times negative 4, negative 8. 2 times negative x, negative 2x. 2 times 2x squared, 4x squared. Bam, Ashley in the house. What is the next thing I need not forget do from there? Tell your neighbor, please. What is the one next thing I need not forget to do? Ashley, pass them on. Mario. Yeah, the black thingy. Yes, skip a spot. Skip a spot. Now we multiply. What is x times negative 4, everyone? Negative 4x. What is x times negative x? Negative x squared. And what is x times 2x squared? 2x to the third. And now we combine. Ooh-wee. Bring down the negative 8. What is negative 4x and negative 2x? That's negative 6x. What is 4x squared minus 1x squared? Very good. 3x squared. And it's a positive. And bring down the 2x cubed. Ooh, we got this. Send me your notes, please. Oh, man, you're like, dude, just give us a pop part here already. Let's go. Let's go. Bring it. Did you guys notice that today was cooler weather outside in the morning? Yeah, I start to feel now the change. Go ahead, Hugh. All right, so we good, right? So I'm going to give you one to do by yourself. Here we go. Same process. Binomial times trinomial. Oh, no, this is a trinomial times trinomial. How about them apples? I'll help you set it up, but copy that. We got multiply vertically, negative 3a minus 7a squared plus 6, and times negative 2 plus 4a plus 5a squared. I'll give you some time. I'll give you a head start. Copy and go. All right, Rachel, what is the first thing we do? Standard form, okay, so tell me, what degree is this one? 1, 2, and 0. Is that in standard form, everyone? No, we need to rewrite it, so tell me what to write. Thank you. The second one, Gabriel, is that in standard form? All right, tell me the degrees. 0. Tell me what to write. Minus 2. Hands if you got up to right there. Step 2, stack them. 5a squared plus 4a minus 2 over negative 7a squared minus 3a plus 6. We're going to multiply. All right, check with your neighbor. What would you do first? And then we're going to have Denise continue from there. Check with your neighbor. What is the first line that you write from there? What do we do there? Go. Check with neighbor. All right, Denise, what do I write? Negative 12 plus 24a 38 to the second. All right, hands if you got up to right there. All right, not bad, not bad. What do we do next? Remind your neighbor, then Mario's going to enlighten us. What do we do next? Mario. Woo, skip the spot. So blank it out. All right, Sammy, help me out with the next multiplication. Go. Positive 6a, negative 12a squared, negative 15a to the third power. Hands if you got that. Tell your neighbor what to do next again. Then Mario's going to enlighten us. Tell your neighbor. Mario, go. Yeah, the blank, again, skip another spot underneath this one. End the process one more time. Here we go. Help me out. Renzo. 14. 14 what? 2, okay. And then negative 7 times that. A cubed, okay. And then a to the fourth power. Hands if you got that. Let's go. So, put a big plus sign so that you remind yourself to combine. Bring down the negative 12. 24a plus 6a is what? 30a. Check this out. I'm going to combine like terms here. What is 30 plus 14? 44 minus 12. 32, a to the second. And this is a plus. Next, negative 15 and negative 28 is negative, yes, 43a cubed. And then just bring down the negative 35a to the 4. Send me your notes, please. I want to see what you did. All right, so from 1 to 5, I'll come provide you with this. 1 to 5, 5 fours, 5 fours, okay. So tonight's home play is multiply polynomials, everything we learned from yesterday and today. However, today, you're only going to do numbers 7 and 13 like this. The rest, you can do distributed property, area model, whichever way you want, okay? So, before we close session, here goes this one. Copy this one down. Example, Shazam Q, parentheses, 7x, y, close parentheses, open parentheses, 5x squared, y, close parentheses, open parentheses, 2x, y to the 5th. Monomial, yes. Monomial, yes. Monomial, yes. So what do we do? Talk it over to your neighbor. What would you do with that one? What would you do with that one? Yeah, numbers times numbers. What is 7 times 5? 35. What is 35 times 2? 70. That is correct. Next, variables times variables. What is x times x squared? X to the what? Third. And then what is x to the third times another x to the 1? X to the fourth. And last but not least, y to the first times y to the first is y to the second times y to the fifth. That's y to the seventh. You're going to get some of these also on the home plate. All right? All right, I'll stop right there. Go ahead and log out. Have a good one, everyone. Enjoy your home plate. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Have a good one.